Oh, today my very big Mosko Moto package arrived and there was a super cool card with it, which I really like. It's from the inside. And how much? There was a lot of stuff in there. There's some external packages. This is a hook bag. And when it looks bigger than it's in the video. So cool! This is all, I don't think I wanted it. I got no idea, I'm confused. But for fuck's sake, they're massive. I'm gonna fit heaps of shit in there, guys. But I'm so happy. I'm getting so emotional the last couple of days. I can't believe it, man. Well. Alright. This is the hot tank bag. Yeah, that's the tank bag which goes on top of it. Which is super nice and it's all waterproof. I'm gonna show you a separate video when it's on my bike actually, but it has some cool inside zipper bags and because it's open that way it's completely waterproof and I think it's amazing. Well, that's why I choose Mosko Moto because it's such amazing. And these are the side bags which have a massive bag, and that's the front. I think they look amazing. Wow. It's like getting my shoe bag for my first day of school. It is very blue. Alright. I got no idea what that was here. Okay, that's the first look into the bags. I'm gonna show you more when they're installed, when I use it, and I have to find out what tank bags like. I'm gonna put the link down below. 35-liter BACKCOUNTRY bags, and they called BACKCOUNTRY Panniers 35 liters version 2. I'm so excited. Stunde der Wahrheit, meine Lieben. Erste Mal Waldtraut mit Tasche. First time she's wearing a bag.
Wir haben jetzt mehr Liter wie die Koffer.
Welcome to Nils' life. So Waldtraut is yeah, got the tires off. So I know how to take it off. We're gonna take the front wheel off too, because she's getting new tires. And yeah, this is the bag from Mosko Moto, the tank bag. And we already got this plate installed, where then bag comes on, which is that beauty here. Yes, now a bit close. Yeah, so here you see it slides perfectly into this. Ta-da! Very, very nice. Really happy. Yeah.